sponsors are in a space in an intersection with the global sponsorship spirit. Mr. Wasim is practicing the industry idea of this sport. It is the state phase of his mission for his country. Don't forget that athletes, coaches, referees, local ones are taking their dose from the technical expertise. They are living today live. Let's go back to the fight. 1-0 for Kazakhstan. To the court, which means they learn also when they play the role of tactical practice providers. Red comes in. This game needs mature morality for a comeback. Their morphotypes are different. This is the first challenge the Pakistan is facing. Is facing technical challenges he should resolve. On the opposite side, the Kazakhstan prefers to work from distance counters at the moment. The glove systems he's testing the glove systems, finding sometimes the ways to study the right pressure on the trunk. Because I've seen him touching the protector many times. It doesn't apply much power, but more speed and but soft impact. Look at the distance between them. He keeps the distance long. The reaction speed should a good game. I've seen some tactical phrases